Hey guys, nada mi sa Lazy Moon. So, look at their pizza. Oh my God, it's a big slice. Galing nga ako na kung ba na tao na na. Yan, akin.
Yes?
Kan?
Okay?
Yan guys, mga guys. Oo, lamig dili. Lamig kayo, lamig agad.
Okay, oh.
Ay, cheese powder dado.
Now we don't know what's going down.
No, I know, yes, yes. Yes, okay.
Are you dead?
Yeah, no, that is like...
What?
Ooh, lamig kayo. Oh my God, look at the pizza.
Sabi kayo.
Lamig kayo.
I thought
Sarap.
we did that.
Sure ba dito?
Ha?
Sure ba dito? Ano sa
No, because, you know, like Evan and Alexa, they're going to
Ito ba dito?
design strong on the fitness.
Ah, bakit nawain? Bakit nawain?
Yeah, okay lang. Ano yun? Ano da, isi da earring, right?
Oh, then.
Oh, okay lang. Oh, bakit?
Come on.
Tama.
Let me just Wi-Fi.
Again, a slice, so big.
Where's the daddy?
Daddy, ooh, big slice.
One tower y'all.
Sarap, Kat.
Sarap kayo. Ano yung tapos ka?
Ooh.
Sige po.
Oo na na.
Lilit.
Ulit lang yan.
Kanang monkey.
Saka Sprite na, magkuha pa ko. Daddy. Dami kayo. Sala, you put mushroom, pepper, olive, onion.
Bubble this.
Sa atin na, kadako sa slice ng atin na. Yeah. Mag-slice pa ko na or dili?
You want one?
No, I cannot eat.
It's too big?
You want to cut?
No. Not yet.
So big, yeah. Because her husband like American style. Dad, can you rate 1 up to 10?
So yun.
How much? 1 to 10. Rate the pizza that you eat.
Wala.
9, okay. Athena, rate your cheese pizza 1 up to 10.
100 to 100. 10 to
10?
Out of
1 or
10.
10? 10 out of 10. Slice pa ko? No.
Wait.
Puro ba yung please?
Wala, kasi lang ito ng slice. Saan pa na?
Oh, that's how you cut. Then the last step is to cut. A lot of people done. Oh, that's got is not.
I know like small cheese is burger that I checked.
Huh?
Dali ka una.
Huh?
Kasi may food. Oh. Dami? Dili.
I all got it. No to the napkin.
Oh.
I need the napkin.
Tiin na lang.
Got it. Just joking. I'm going for my joke.
Lucky for you. Lami kay dad. Lami. Yeah, pero ka na. Good na. Sige na to go for this Dana. Why do you like metal to make one? So big. Maybe you're gonna roll.
No, ito din.
Are you sure?
That's a wall.
Oh. Ikaw na na ko. Ikaw na dayon.
Pina's a pizza head.
No.
Tara.